In this problem, we are asked to solve for x. First off, notice the equal sign. This is how we know we have an equation and that we're trying to solve. With an equation, we can first simplify our equations by combining like terms. On the left, notice we have the negative 3x term and we have a 6x term. These are like terms. So if we take our negative 3x and our 6x and add those together, that will give us 3x. The plus 2, the 2 is not a like term, so we'll just leave it plus 2. So far we have these two terms combining to be 3x and just dropping down the plus 2. On the right side, we also have like terms. Negative 4 and plus 15 are both constants, so we can combine them together, and 15 minus 4, these two terms, 15 minus 4 is 11. At this point in time, we've simplified both the left side by combining like terms and the right side by combining like terms, and we're ready to start to solve this equation. Our x is in the term 3x, and it's on the left. We want to isolate this term so it's just 3x. We have this plus 2, so I'm going to first start by subtracting 2 from both sides. This 2 minus 2 is 0, leaving us just 3x on the left. And on the right side, we have like terms. 11 minus 2 is 9. We have now isolated the x term on the left, and now we can start to isolate the actual x factor by taking this 3 and recognizing it's 3 times x, and so if we divide by 3, this 3 over 3 will make 1x, or just x. And on the right side, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, this is what I think is the answer. I'm going to check this to make sure. Check. So our initial equation was negative 3, but I'm going to put in our 3 instead of x. So up in the initial equation, we have negative 3 and x, and now we have negative 3 and what I had for x, negative 3 times 3. I'll do that for each x. Next, plus 2, then plus 6 times 3 equals negative 4 plus 15. When you're checking a solution, it is important to go back to the original equation. If you check this at any other step, then you've assumed the work that you put into making those steps was correct, and we want to check all of the work that you put in, so we're going to plug back into the original. Now to simplify, we have negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, plus 2, plus, and 6 times 3 is 18. That should equal, on the right side is 11. Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. Negative 7 plus 18 is 11. Check. So this one checks out just fine. X equals 3 is the solution for this equation.